Hi everybody, this is a video describing what you need to do for Monday and Tuesday. And we are now in a new unit called Unit 8, Math Installation Project. So we should be in week 1. And then the folder that says Monday and Tuesday. So the very first thing in this folder, Monday and Tuesday, is Project 1, Part 1. So I'm going to start in the top left corner. It says, look at the following picture. I made this outside on my sidewalk. So this is kind of what we were talking about for our math project. I used flowers I found outside. I used some Post-it notes. You can use like any paper that you have would work. And then I used some rocks around my house. And I created this equation. 4 flowers plus 2 rocks equals 10. And I kind of wanted to know what a flower could be worth and what a rock could be worth from this sentence. So then below it says, answer the following questions in the discussion. What do you think 1 flower equals? What do you think 1 rock equals? So in the picture, to make this statement true, what could 1 flower be equal to? And what could 1 rock be equal to? What else could 1 flower and 1 rock be equal to? So now we want you to come up with a different answer from number 1 that still makes this statement true. How many solutions are possible? That means how many solutions for what a flower and rock could there be that are different? So really brainstorm, maybe make a list of possibilities. Think about if you can use negative numbers or decimals and reflect on that question. And then you can copy and paste these sentence stems to get started. So you can select these and you can copy, go to your discussion, click the plus button in the top right corner, tap once and click paste. And now you can answer these questions using the sentence stems to help you. So make sure you answer and click the check button. I'm going to go back to the end of Tuesday, Project 1, Part 2. Project 1, Part 2 says, open Project 1, Part 2 in Notability. So I'm going to open this in Notability. I'm going to click back in the top left. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to click and drag Notability to the right side. Okay, so now Part 2 on the left says, fill out each part. Be creative. Think about what objects do you have at your house that you could use to create a math equation? Submit your assignment here. So if we look at this notability assignment, the first thing is asking you, what materials do you have at home that could help you? So you might be able to use paper, possibly if you have some rocks or some grass. Chalk might be useful. Cereal. So think about what things you have at home that you could use to create your own equation. This says, where could you display your own math equation? So think about where you could display your project so that people could see it and interact with it. So outside, I kind of like putting it on the sidewalk, or if you have like front steps or something, so people can see it and interact with it. And then inside, maybe you leave it in like a table somewhere where people could see it and ask you questions about it. And then the last thing is, you can either make your project at home, or you can just draw a picture of what you would make. So some sort of object. Sorry. I don't know if you can hear all that squeaking, but that is my dog with her squeaky toy. So you're going to make some sort of equation. It really could be anything you want. It doesn't have to be plus, but just get creative. Anything you put is perfectly fine with us. We want you to have fun and get excited. Just make sure you submit your project to this end of Tuesday. All right, that is all for Monday and Tuesday. Hope you have fun, and I am excited to see what you turn in. Thanks. Bye.